How to link your bank account to Mint. The Mint budgeting app officially shut down on March 2024 and is no longer available for linking new bank account or managing budget. Its parent company, Intuit, has migrated many of its features to Credit Karma through it, though it primarily focuses on credit monitoring and lack Mint fully budgeting functionality. Now, since you can no longer use Mint, you may want to consider these activities or active alert alternative that allows you to link bank account. Now, often cited as a closest replacement for Mint offering automatic transactions import and category tracking. Now, empowering personal dashboard, formerly personal capital, are free options that excels at tracking net worth and investment account alongside standard banking. You could then fund it by a former Mint producer manager as well. Here's if you want to link your work in this app, you just have to make sure to search for the bank and authenticate it and provide consent, and that's how you're supposed to link your bank account to Mint. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.